metal and water splashed on his face. And it is also effective for the students also. Then, and similarly, if a student feels sleepy while studying, and if he feels drowsy and closes his eyes for more than 3 seconds, the alarm start ringing and water splashed on his face, which will make him open his eyes.
That can be used in hair hold. The main function of the needle modulation control the device whether it is on or off. This is physical. Printer circuit. Physically or electrically support the device interconnected between the electricity. Now the capacitor is connected on the PCB. The end of the capacitor is then connected to the pulley, which one is connected to the alarm system and another one is connected to the elevator. On this list we have taken water meter, which pick up the water from the low pressure to the high pressure. Reduce the number of accidents which is of shocking happening in the day-to-day life.
Loss of water.
Loss of water, but the numbers of accidents is also
Fast driving or drowsiness than less.
it is also
Because people are already using it. So we can
when they are transferring goods and product also from one state to another state, then what happened? They consume alcohol. Some drivers are consume alcohol. That's why they sleep. They feel sleep. That's why they put this goggles in their eyes, and when they feel sleep, here
if someone is already using
slightly using
so again we have to use this spectacle.
from they use lens also in their eyes.
No, everyone is not using that.
But in their spectacle
They are
also.
using spectacle. Many drivers are using spectacle while they are driving. Some are using goggles when they are driving. Why will we like use this one? It has a tube and system and all. That is what I am asking.
And then they can attach their goggles also. Yes, from this side of corner side. You can use it. Corner side.
So telling us just like a safety measure.
Yes, because now it is very accidents are happening. Recently in Burger side also.
No, recently in Burger they were not driving. They were for that accident, past one, they were driving. So they were trying to overtake. For that, it was not the ground.
Morning, ma'am.
Wonder that why the numbers of accidents increasing day by day.
Train accident.
In last 5 months, we were concluded that 18 number of train accident so one of the deadliest train accidents in our collision of the train. Before he said to prevent the train accident which are caused by human error, we have to install 3 AI systems. Let me explain the first one, that is automated train protection system. Ma'am, in this system is a safe system which designed to prevent the train accident which are caused by human error. Ma'am, in this system we use advanced speed braking system. When the train exceeds the maximum speed or approach red signal, then it automatically slow down the speed. And here we used speed supervision, which means it was controlled 24 hours by the control center, and it was observed by the control railway department. Then we used smart intelligent transporting systems. And in this compression-based train control, we use wireless communication train system and real-time we can monitor the traffic in 24 hours and transmit the data to the control center which was nearby. And thereafter we use technologies. Like radio frequency and also 5G communication and many things have to install in this. After the use of this, we can prevent the train collision which has happened nowadays. And we also use the renewable energy to control the trains and to reduce the carbon footprints which cause deforestation. And we use renewable energy, for example, through the solar energy we can generate energy, through the wind energy we can also generate energy, and through the vibration of the train we can also generate energy. For example, if we use coil in the tracks, in the wheel of the train, then it collects the heat energy and it stores. In the track we use piezoelectric battery, piezoelectric sensor which collect the energy and transfer it to the evaluator. We also provide the energy to the railway system.
What is the cost behind that?
Electronic interdefect and human error.
Yes, human error.
Human error, electronic interdefect. And at the time of the accident, the signal was not supported. That's why the train is
refined, it can become petrol also. So here, as nowadays usage of plastic is just increasing day by day due to its facilities like it is water resistant, flexible and easily available in the market. So people are using plastic very reliably without thinking about its harm, and harm is very good to our environment, and the plastic actually ends in the waste disposals. Plastic waste. So what can we do about the plastic here? Then what we are doing, we are converting the plastic into fuel. The plastic is inside, it is getting melted, and one gas will come out, which is hydrocarbon gas. It will go inside this, and it will get condensed. The gas will get condensed, and the gas which is not condensed will come out from here, which is also a flammable gas. Up to now we have heated the plastic, and some of the it is made, we can show. As you can see, it is kind of used oil. If refined, it will become petrol. And the gas also we can see the gas. The gas is also actually flammable, but actually now the gas, all the gas is condensed. As you can see, it is a flammable gas. As you saw, it is flammable. And you may think that we are using LPG and making fuel. From fuel to fuel we are making. You may think that, but actually it's not. If 10% LPG is used, 20% extra means 20%, 10% LPG is used, 20% extra fuel plus gas we will get. And the gas, which now you saw, it is a flammable one, right? And it is also crude oil. If refined, it will become petrol. This is a process called pyrolysis. This is the thermal degradation of plastic within the temperature range of 400 degrees Celsius to 1000 degrees Celsius. Actually, we are here through LPG. We are
have to supply that high amount.
But you will for that high amount of temperature we need to supply. But the amount of this petrol will also differ, and the pyrolysis process, it can be done. We have to just melt the plastic in the process through any means of it. Here we have used LPG, and it is a very low cost project, and as this petrol is a non-renewable thing, and for our future generations, if we use petrol for our emissions, it is a problem. For that reason, as we are getting so for that reason, we are making this, and the project one who did it actually is
by charging the system is
गाड़ी जाती है वही है ना ऐसे समझो समझ गए ना ये हम चौड़ी में लाइट लगेगी बोलने से रोड के ऊपर इसका बेनिफिट है तो हम लोग पूरा बोलेंगे तब लोग इसमें क्या क्या किया हो जो लाइट कहाँ से आ
Condensation type. They will like this collection of the water will be collected.
जब बारिश होगा वो इधर जो है रेजिस्टेंस ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. रेजिस्टेंस ज़्यादा हो जाने से मतलब कंडक्शन नहीं होगा, तो ये ऑटोमेटिकली प्राइस हो जाएगा. जब बारिश होगा जब बारिश होगा तब
त्यामध्ये ऑटोमॅटिक
atmospheric water generator works on the principal basis of the condensation.
वो चीज़ जो है पहले आप उसको समझो उसके बाद समझाने से बहुत अच्छा है।
Condense it below its dew point into cold and water. Portable and independence. This system can be established in the isolated areas with infrastructural developments. It has cost-effective and water generation. The solar power atmospheric water generators are once established, then it can generate maximum water up to its fraction of the cost and reduces the dependency upon the traditional water methods. The solar power atmospheric water generator gives the promise to tackle the problem that were in the upcoming days of the water scarcity in our environments. By using the solar panels, we have made it more convenient, eco-friendly, so that it can be established in the arid regions or in the regions where people are facing from the water scarcity, and this can be a big development of the people who are living in the water scarcity. This project promises not to provide only clean and purest form of water. It also encounters the problem that we are facing about the sustainable development and also reduces. This is an innovative step to tackle the water scarce problem in the upcoming days with sustainable development.
Surrounding atmosphere in the form of water vapor is present. It is a natural water cycle continuum. So my question is that it's a natural why you have to set up your testing unit and solar panel, power generator and all. Why that?
As well as there are
So if you will set up this project in a huge amount, then you know that there might be a problem also in future that much water is like they will collect and gradually there will be more rainfall.
Now I'm care about the deforestation. So in the future, if we have large deforestation, there will be the storage of longer use like
water scarcity. But on a small scale, not on a large scale.
Plastic pollution, conservation of energy through solar panels, implementing vertical management system, utilization of rainwater, and generation of electricity through four steps. System is energy efficient, highly approachable smart technique. It involves basic energy efficiency, and this proposed system is a precise combination of automatic rainwater collection. Second, implementing vertical management system. Third, conservation of energy. Fourth, generation of electricity of food steps. Utilization of plastic waste for making plastic recyclable. Now I will explain how to collect rainwater automatically. For this a water system electronic device that is used to detect the presence of water by provided alert. This equipment is a small cable that lies not on the river and applies the nature and acidity of the water. This extends the contacts. It works on the principle of resistance. There will be no the resistance between the wires and the wires, and there is is a connection between the words and the sensor. In this rainwater sensor, we detect the presence of water and helps us to switch on the equipment which will collect automatically the rainwater for different purposes. When the alarm is pushed, we will be alert and switch on the automatic rainwater slider, on which the rainwater will slide and the water is stored in this tank. Then the rest of the water is used for growing plants. This is put in a plantation system. In this system, plants are grown in layers that are stacked vertically. In this, it frequently incorporates soilless farming. Soilless farming such as hydroponics. That does hydroponic refers to a method of growing plants without the use of soil.
From here and there, that's very bad.
It's cocoa, which is a coconut fiber. It's soil substitute. In this farming, it provides sustainable food production by the sustainable food production.
I study class 1. I am Faridin. I am a fresher. I am also diabetes. My taste is good.
90 to 23 tons of plastic is released in the aquatic ecosystems. It is released in the lakes, waters, and rivers, etc. And so we have prepared this plastic roads, which for making 1 kg of plastic roads, 1 ton of plastic is used.
Dry arid generation and low rainfall. In our country, Rajasthan, desert area.
In Rajasthan,
Scarcity of rainfall. But there is already scarcity of rainfall. Sunlight is conducted in those places where scarcity of rainfall, scarcity of water.
which only 90% less than the traditional farming in this region. Human beings walking around the road, their footstep energy is absorbed to feed the piezoelectrical sensor, which will let the food power into electrical power, and which can be used in the
They have used piezoelectric sensors and they have used
that will generate, that will convert into
My name is Sanju Bambai. I study in class 2. Today I am going to flower.
which
is the mechanical capacity of electrical energy, and it is supplied from the circuit in the case of equal energy. So that we can verify the distance going to circuit or not. The lights are blue, so we can prove that the electricity is passing through the circuit. After that, we connect it to the light. That's how the electricity is passing through the transfer to the
in the public there. When people walk on it, then it will generate batteries connected to
They are they can able to make a very different type of things. It is all are thinking that this waste product they can able to produce biofuel as well as biofabric. We can able to see article can convert it into different type of depending on production of techniques.
मेनली क्या है ड्राइवर्स लोग तो आजकल बहुत एक्सीडेंट हो रहा है हमारे यहाँ इंडिया में ज़्यादातर तो इंडिया में ही एक्सीडेंट हो रहा है कि वो दारू वारू की मतलब
There was released by them, and if we use this purpose and different purpose, it can every RD can extract 80% oil was extracted in different helpful uses or social and most possible without any without any help in it can take carbon dioxide and produce oxygen. A lot of oxygen was
is about 1 liter a day because the condenses the remaining filtrate is absorbed by our living cells further then the blood is
there was a lot of water centers and in lakes there was a lot of water there can and army can grow itself do not want any specific thing to it only want water some nutrition and some state and it can grow easily it has a pigment that can help
the waste product is from the button of cells and the rating of the good afternoon ma'am. Ma'am, in front of you we are displaying our project of hemodialysis for artificial kidney. First of all, starting off with kidney. We know that kidney is a vital organ for human survival. Kidney filters out all the poisonous waste from our body, and the poisonous waste is filtered out through urine. But due to several factors like infections and injuries, the blood flow in the kidney can be reduced, and this leads to the accumulation of poisonous waste in our body, and later leads to kidney failure. All the poisonous waste from the blood through dialysis. When our kidney have 10 to 15% of function left, the doctor advises hemodialysis, or when the person is in CKD or chronic kidney disease. Normally, a healthy adult filters out at least 1 milliliter daily. However, the average filtrate is about 1 to 2 liter daily because the remaining filtrate is filtered out absorbed from the kidney. And the further topic is elaborated by content range is low. Content can be made
And the rest of the students go to dining hall for lunch.
It is a waste product that comes from the pattern of the muscle and protein exercises. We will explain this project so that people can get knowledge about analysis and it can be used to give information about to children in waste in the future. Here you can see poisonous blood comes through this and travels through this pipe and later comes here. These are saline that are working with respirable membrane and later the blood comes here and here the dialysis solution is present and it comes here and filters all the poisonous blood and the dialysis solution comes here and later the filtered blood goes back to our body.
They can survive with one kidney also. Okay. Then we need to do dialysis there.
But if it is having both the kidney damage, right, it will never be
and its
Garbage disposal
and its management.
and its management.
Direct sources of pollution. Protecting environment from direct sources of pollution is imperative to ensure the sustainability of the water pollution is one of the most significant ingredients to the increasing of the water-related activities like transportation, fisheries, and many others. It threatens the well-being and prosperity of human as well as environment. And also it threatens the quality of water in our surroundings. This project is RPCS. We develop a system which can clean the water and resolve the water pollution. So it will not threaten the life of marine life of the artificial kidney in every hospital, in some of the hospitals, by which the patient can leave components in it. After the using of resources, we are left with a lot of waste and hazardous biotic components. When we will throw the biotic components in it, definitely it will be result with a formation of malaria. This is a fire station, and this will give the information of automatic water sprinkling fire extinguisher are there in various foreign countries. Like this in malls and more malls, police stations, banks, our schools and hospitals have sometimes the fire will cause.
Suitable for urban areas, it can also install on the roofs. It can also generate, it can also provide electrical energy with
Like some area where there is the velocity of it is very less.
Ma'am, it doesn't need the high speed of the wind velocity. It's
How it doesn't require, because you know that this will not rotate. Now this it will not rotate, then how can it rotate? By the mechanism is there that rotational energy is being converted. Conversion of energy. I think it is a little different. This will be applicable somewhere in the coastal belt, life saving for farmers. Or like in our areas.
no, ma'am. In highways there are many vehicles and buses. From that speed also it strikes on the bridge and it rotates. Yes, ma'am. Even in
స్టీరియలిజం ఏంటంటే వైబ్రేటింగ్స్ యాక్చువల్లీ ఎలిమెంట్ బిహేవియర్ ఏంటంటే స్నేక్ ఇది వైబ్రేషన్స్ వైబ్రేషన్స్ స్నేక్ బాగా అంటే డేంజర్ దాటనే వెళ్ళిపోతుంది
Simply just rotate and correct.
Okay, you are telling that we just generate this and apply nearby but now the government setting up a limit. You cannot cross the limit. Yes, otherwise there will be message in our say more than like 80 kilometers for two vehicles. It's around 60 kilometers. You have to drive below 60. 40.
Ma'am, generally, generally,
Everything owes its existence solely and completely to sound.
culture and rich culture and Sanskriti which we have. So we will be developed in 2047, but we are not going to forget our after that the firefighters will be at that meanwhile in that point as soon as possible. After this the bank. Nowadays we are not getting the loan which we deserve, which according to our desires. So in the future we are going to get the loan which according to our desires and what we expect to get from the bank. Sir, ma'am, nowadays we have to submit our files and documents related to our properties to the bank before getting the loan. And definitely we have to do so in the future also. But they will not seize the whole property of ours if we are unable to pay the loan. Mainly, they will left a little bit of space for the resistance of family and us. But the main thing is that they will cut out our name and decline us from the list of all the facilities and policies of the government. The main thing, this road having some great features. This road is made up of 90% of bitumen and 10% of plastic, which is being implemented in our country in Kerala. This road, there is no doubt this road is absorbing the plastic as much as it can. This is the dustbin which we made is a futuristic dustbin which will make the manual without any manual effort. It will make the manual. It will manufacture it by the biotic component waste, which the hazardous waste biotic components which we are getting from our environment. Thank you, ma'am. Have a great day.
I'm Akriti Anushka and my group consists of 5 members. She is myself, Blue Tulsi Sandhya. The Mysore Palace is located in the city of Mysuru, Karnataka, one of India's most iconic landmarks, known for its stunning architecture. The palace exemplifies a blend of Indo-Saracenic, Gothic and Islamic structure. Indo-Saracenic were the architecture styles that were introduced by the Britishers, while the Islamic styles have been introduced by the Britishers in the mid of the 1980s. And continued to serve as a royal residence. In 1799, after the fall of Tipu Sultan, the Britishers restored the Wadiyas to power and the palace had to be rebuilt. Now I want to show you some pictures of the old Mysore Palace, and this is the present Mysore Palace that we have represented here through our model. This is the old Mysore Palace during the 14th century.
In the new one, there is a, I have seen,
financial progress education, culture, safety and precaution.
We have also collected the pictures of that. I'll come to that point after some time. The present palace is
ideology. There is no doubt that India is traveling towards the success. India is traveling towards success.
We have showed you through our model. Ma'am, it showcases a mix of architectural styles and showcases beautiful domes, intricate carvings and stunning stained glass. Significant occasion. Yes, ma'am, the Dussehra festival. Ma'am, one of the most significant festivals that is celebrated in the Mysore Palace is the Dussehra festival. It is celebrated to the Mysore Palace was decorated with 97,000 of electrical lights, which makes the Mysore Palace more attractive and more beautiful. During the festival, a great sessions are also creative sessions. There are elephants in which in their back there is a golden throne which is carried and we move over the city of Mysore.
Madam Subhadra Sahu and the management member K. Rambabu and our existing, the judges, they have been here on the stage. This is the moment of a felicitation. So actually the persons present here, those who are definitely felicitating that the history department, the one who was acting as a judge, to the Subhadra ma'am, Laramba College Zoology Department. Please have a big hand for the judge of the day. One who has taken a lot of care. It is a pain of the students and she is a big